हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हॉलीवुड पे आईपीएस पीओ का भी मॉक लाइव है, तो आप लोग इसे देना और मार्क्स शेयर करना। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक पर्सन ईयर ईयर की बन सकता है, इसे हम ट्राई करेंगे। 88, 91, 94, 96। सी और 6 ईयर ओल्डर। ईयर निकाल एज निकालने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, उतना कुछ डाटा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है नहीं कोई। हम एज भी उसका निकालें, डायरेक्ट ऐसे ही बन सकता है। 6 ईयर older than F. F 3% G. Apple elder to G. D लीप ईयर है। ये थोड़ा ये पॉइंट सही है। इसमें दो पॉसिबिलिटी आ रहा है। डी 1996 में बॉर्न हो सकता है या 88 में बॉर्न हो सकता है। दो पॉसिबिलिटी है हमारे पास। 2 person were born between D and B and D was elder to B. डी वॉज इंटर टू बी। बस एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी बचा, डी का एज 1988 और बी 1996, बिकॉज डी वॉज एल्डर टू बी है और एच इज 4 ईयर ओल्डर टू ई। सी और एफ वाला कंडीशन चेक करेंगे। 6 ईयर का गैप कहाँ कहाँ है। 1975 to 81, 1981 to 87 और बस मुझे यहीं कहीं दिख रहा है बस दो। तो सबसे पहले हम ऊपर वाले से स्टार्ट करेंगे। 1975 पे सी, 6 ईयर यंगर एफ 1981। अब क्या एफ और जी। एफ से 3% जी, 1 2 3 जी। एच से 4 ईयर ओल्डर टू ई। 4 ईयर कहाँ कहाँ है। 1987, 1981, 1991 और बस यही है। एच 87, ई 1991, बच गया ए 79। In which year he was born? He was born in 1979. Youngest B है। How many person elder to H? Elder to H 3. Who was born in 1994? 1994 G. G was born in 1994. How many person were born between H and D? H and D none. Certain number person, certain वाला भी easy होता है, इसे छोड़ना नहीं है, इसे भी बनाते हैं पहली बार। इसमें तो सॉरी ये सर्टन वाला नहीं है। 5%। आफ्टर द रिजल्ट वर डिक्लेयर वन स्कूल। ए का 88.6, ए का मैक्सिमम नहीं है। एफ स्कोर 89.9, clearly greater than A, which was more than 3 friends। F का फिक्स पोजीशन फिक्स हो गया। F का डिफरेंस बिटवीन F D और E is the same difference between D or A। The difference between D or E is same as difference between D or A। A score 0.2 marks more than D। D का कितना हो जाएगा 88.4। D और E का 88.4 2. Deore. We scored the highest marks. अब चलिए पोजीशन तो सेट हो गया. ADE 88.2, 88.4, 88.6, 89.9. The difference between highest and lowest marks is 3. 88.2, 89, 90, 91. 91.2. He scored 88.2. From the following, the minimum score E. What percentage of marks are scored by D? 88.4. Who among the following has scored 91.2? B. Here are certain one. तो कितने सेट करने हैं पहले? हाईएस्ट में 25 देखा, 25 हम बना लेंगे. S sit at extreme right end. Four person are sitting with N and S. एक दो तीन चार. S. T is sitting immediate left of N. Three person sitting between T and F. Seven person are sitting in between E and F. F is sitting right of E. J is sitting fifth to left of E. The person sitting to right of N, 1 2 3 4 5, is one more than the person sitting to the left of Z. Z के लेफ्ट में 4 होगा क्योंकि N के लेफ्ट में 5 है. Z is sitting to the immediate right of J. 1 2 3 4. Two persons sitting in Z row. O is not neighbor of E. Less than 11 persons are sitting between O and T. 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. कुछ गड़बड़ है भाई. S is sitting at the extreme right and 4 persons sitting between N and S. T is sitting immediate left of N. 3 persons are sitting between T and F. 3. E. J is sitting fifth to the left of E. 2 3 4 persons sitting total 19. What is the position of E with respect to T? Fourth to the left. How many persons sitting between E and O? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. Who's sitting second to the right of F? S. Only a few phone card. No card is clip. Some card are definitely not phones. Wrong. Some clips are phone. Some clips are wrong. Neither one or two. Several stocks are flow. No flows is price. Some stocks being price is a possibility. Yes. All flows being stocks is a possibility. Yes. Both follow. All crime or offense. Some crime are violent. Some violent being crime is a possibility. अगर कोई कंडीशन सही में दिया हुआ है और करेक्ट है तो उसमें पॉसिबिलिटी के केस में वो रॉन्ग हो जाता है, तो पहला केस रॉन्ग. नो ऑफेंस इज वायलेंट. नो ऑफेंस इज वायलेंट. वायलेंट ये भी रॉन्ग. अदर वन और टू फॉलोस. इसको बाद में बनाएंगे. ये भी बाद बनाएंगे. 10% ये बना सकते हैं. द बॉटम फ्लोर 1, टॉप मोस्ट फ्लोर 10. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Myth lives above Zen, but not on even floor. Myth जो odd पे होगा. 5% live in either Zez और Juicy के बीच में 5 होगा, और मायरा और मिथ के बीच में 5 होगा. ये अंदर में दिया हुआ है. ओनली रोजी लिव्स बिलो मायरा, तो रोजी और मायरा का सीट फिक्स हो गया. मायरा सेकंड पे, रोजी फर्स्ट पे. Ben 10th पे. Ben lives, only Ben lives above Zez. Zez 9th पे. यहाँ पे दो पॉसिबिलिटी है. या तो Zez से 5 छोड़ के जोशी. 1 2 3 4 5. या मायरा से 5 छोड़ के मिथ. 1 2 3 4 5. जो मिथ अगर इसमें 8th पे आया तो ये कैंसिल. Hulk lives in a prime number floor. Hulk lives immediately below Sam. Sam के जस्ट नीचे. Park and Myth lives below Hulk. Park and Myth. Myth odd पे. Myth 5. Zen Park 6 पे. Sam और Myth के बीच में थी. Myth Sam 1 2 1. Hulk lives on the 5th floor. Ever 2 3 Park wrong. 4% lives between Rosie and Park. Rosie and Park 1 2 3 4 correct. Park lives below. Park lives below Myth. No. Wrong. Zen. Wrong. Josie. Wrong. Sam. Zez. And of all the person arrange alphabetical order from top to bottom. Ben. C D F G H Hulk. I J Josie. Zez और Josie done. K L M Myra और Myth. T M Y R Myra. Myra Myth. M N O P Park. Q R Rosie. S Sam. Zen. Top to bottom floor. प्राइम फोर पे कौन कौन सा? जोजी, मिथ, रोजी, सैम। जोजी, मिथ, सैम, रोजी, मिथ, जोजी। फर्स्ट आंसर, which of the following statement is false? Zen lives above Josie. Zen lives above Josie. Correct. Two-person lives between Zen and Moira. Zen and Moira. Wrong. So Zen. तीन चार पाँच छः सही है. Zen lives secretly. T is the father of D. T is the father of D. D, who is the sister of H. H and Y are siblings. Y is the son of M. H is the mother of Q. Q, who is the male. How Q related to M? M का grandson. If U is sister of M, then how Y is related to U? U का nephew. Wash your clothes. Dash 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 dash. My my A1 for B2 for K6 K63 closet K65 K63 P87 my maybe T52 P87 T52 P87 T52 Shoes A14 B28 K6 A14 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 T52 T52 K36 P87 cannot determine T52 P87 9% 9% Barcelona, Texas, and Dehradun. At least 2%, at most 4% which S visit the same city as S, Y. P visit neither the same P टेक्सास में नहीं है और P N के साथ नहीं है. T and W visit Barcelona. T W not less than 3 people visit Texas. Plus 3 Texas में plus 3 और plus हो सकता है. Q does not visit the same city as P. Q P same city नहीं. P and T. N and R visit the same city. N and R. P fix हो गया. Q यहाँ नहीं. N and R visit the same city. P के साथ N नहीं है. P और B does not visit the same city. P और B same city में नहीं है. Oh shit. देहरादून. P तो देहरादून आ गया. Q and B W Q and W Y Q and T R B T which is P versus Deharan W B R B visited no S Y I don't know S is Texas same city. I to Z, I to cancel, SAI, let's say 9 and sell English subtitle. Human population are ocean there was industrial collection making microplastic are generally referred as size lower than the 5 gram. These microplastics tend to plastic and cosmetic. These contaminants are omnipresent. हर जगह फैला हुआ है with almost the marine environment and at present. सही है. The durability of plastic makes them highly resistant to degradation. Resistance, resistant, resistant. Today it is an issue of increased scientific concern because these microplastics is more size easily available. The chronic accessible to wide range and aquatic and ultimately transfer along the food web. The chronic biological effect in marine water. 5. The potential hazardous impacted on human by alternate impacted on human effects. The potential hazardous effects on impacted effects on impacted on hazardous. The potential hazardous effects impacted on by alternate ingestion of micro. The potential hazardous effects or effects or impacted effects or impacted. देखते हैं क्या होगा इसमें लास्ट में. Because of the recent threat of microplastic to marine biota as well as to human health, it is important to control the excessive use of plastic additives and to introduce certain legislation and define and focused particular certain calculation. His calculation is wrong. John's mind calculation is often correct. सही है. The problem has many calculations to drive the answer. 2 or 3. The problem has many calculations to drive the answer. Oversee. He lived oversee. Wrong. Oversee होना चाहिए, सी नहीं. The uproar led to the establishment of bioethical committees to oversee research. The uproar led to the establishment of bioethics committee to oversee the research. 2 होगा. He will appoint a 5-member board that serves at his pleasure to oversee development. 1 or 2. Debate. At the time of his death, had not been officially intimated that Queen was pregnant. People do get quite intimidated by people who often disrupt things. In next few days, he will know all of your intimate secrets. You will be quite intimidated by people who seem to disrupt things. About a month before Italy's disastrous, including losing March election. Flags hair regulars of the party. distributor to kick off her campaign in front of the crowd. Release that again. D अपनी जगह सही है, D भी सही है. CA student mass selection. As soon as the deadline for the project approaches, the team must diligently coordinate their efforts and make sure that every detail is carefully executed. Make sure that my parents doing object me doing household chores against me, mind object me. But of all these various suspected characters, Perry was considered as the most suspicious of all. Considered no work, no improvement. Considered as the most suspicious. She walked to the store, picked up some milk and eggs, and then went home to cook dinner. Then went. The students handed in their THEINA project, but the teacher found there. The sofa's fabric was soft and pulse, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Perfect for relaxing. He used the thong to carefully lift the sizzling streak from the hot grill onto the plate. Into the plate. The politician and the actor was seen conversing with each other at the charity gala last. See, cutthroat. Cutthroat मतलब the maxim nice guy. Finish last is now commonly used phrase employees of employees adopt the mindset viewing their workplace as complete space where only the cutthroat succeed. Scrupulous, merciful, moral, ethical, relentless. Endorsement, opposite, disapproval, sanction. According to the passage, orders often view their workplace. Employees often adopt the mindset viewing the workplace as competitive space who, according to the passage, benefit greatly from kindness. Being nice in the form of generosity, support, kindness can help improve employees succeed. Helping other people benefit, they help from improving their mood to reducing burnout. In other ways, nice guys don't follow this. Person who giving support. Person who giving support. See the friendly person giving support. Passive benefit greatly from kindness. Support. The form of generosity, support, and kindness can help employees succeed. What happens when some publicly endorses another's idea as per the passage? Benefits the ideas that increase the endorser and the endorser's status by both endorser and endorser's status. Which of the following concept has been discussed in the passage that helps to explain the benefit of endorsement to both giver and receiver? Contrary extraction. Self-property, a concept called competitive altruism. Competitive altruism helps to explain why endorsement benefit a giver to receiver. This perspective is mentioned in the passage. Texting someone who's struggling. Others, both the recipient and burnout is defined in the puzzle. Presentation personal disconnected. Difficult small action. Texting someone who is struggling. Texting someone who is struggling. Buying someone coffee. Buying them coffee can make us buying them coffee one or two. Paying them bill of someone having difficult time. Which of the following is the most beneficial complement as per the passage? Researchers, when people give sincere compliments, the positive impact is greater than actually their most beneficial compliments are typically those bringing attention to the work being completed or pursued goal rather than those who focus on appearance. Bringing attention to work completed, focus on the one's appearance, focus on appearance. In the theory, balance working arrangement, balance working, ED is employees working flexible will increase work-life balance. DC, CD, work-life balance, work-life balance, productivity and well-being for employees. CDC में होगा AB in theory flexible working arrangements हो सकता है although them employees गलत है some employees may be although worker employee AD और BC दोनों में कोई सही होगा BC होगा कि नहीं देखते हैं although some employees have worker नहीं आ सकता have recognized the need of address worker well-being only AD we from just our wrong है we were just our from Alice AB हो सकता है Spring Australia de facto inland capital and already alone on the dynamic track उत्तरी is starting to be realized as one of humanity's option FCD sorry ए के साथ कुछ नहीं है इधर से देखना होगा क्योंकि EA ऐसा कुछ है AD एक अच्छा एक AD भी starting to be realized as one of humanity's most useful tools for advancing scientific discovery have taken AlphaFold using it for everything from the understanding disease to protect honeybees. Scientific theory कुछ जम नहीं रहा trying to realize that one of the humanity's most useful tools and for advancing scientific discovery. As prisoners in the emerging field of digital biology, we are excited to see the huge potential of AI is starting to realize that as one of the ये हो सकता है अब BD होगा कि नहीं देख कर चेक करना It has been so inspiring to see the myriad ways the research community have taken AlphaFold using it for everything. This is protecting honeybees. चलो BD भी सही है Intimate at the time of his death, it had not been officially intimated that Queen was pregnant. Intimate means uksana. In the next few weeks, we also know of your intimate secret, and you probably don't want that. People do get quite intimidated by people who seem to disrupt. क्या होगा? At the time of his death, it is not वुमन सही हो सकता है. The people in the next few days he will know all of intimate secret. हो सकता है. People do not get people do get quite intimidated by people who seem to disrupt things. One or three हो सकता है. जो होगा पता नहीं. 5. The chronic valuable effects on marine organism result from the accumulation of microplastic in their cells and tissues. The potential hazardous effects on effects the potential hazardous impacted on effects on human. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन करते हैं भाई. बहुत गलत हुआ होंगे इंग्लिश में. थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू है, इसको बाद में करना है, इसमें टाइम लगेगा. ये भी बन सकता है. द स्पीड ऑफ बोट इन स्टिल वाटर 12 किलोमीटर है और इसे 45 किलोमीटर डाउन स्ट्रीम में करना है. 15 स्ट्रीम का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 12 बोट डाउन अप स्ट्रीम का 9 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो एक्स्ट्रा टाइम विल रिक्वायर 45 5 आवर. ये पहुंच जाएगा. ये 3 आवर में 2 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा लगेंगे. अप स्ट्रीम बोट इसके बाद बनाएंगे. प्राइस इसे भी बाद बनाएंगे. ये बना सकते हैं, इजी है. कुछ ऐसा कुछ दिया नहीं खास. परसेंटेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मेडिकल एग्जाम PQRS मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग. ये 75% स्टूडेंट मेडिकल है तो 25% हो जाएंगे. सॉरी हाँ 25% इंजीनियरिंग. दोनों का डिफरेंस 50 आएगा. 50 का वैल्यू है 200. 50 यूनिट का वैल्यू है 200. यूनिट का वैल्यू है 400 टोटल है. 75% ये 300 हो जाएगा. ये 100 इंजीनियरिंग 100. अगर ये 30% है तो इंजीनियरिंग 70% होगा. दोनों का डिफरेंस 40%. 40% का वैल्यू 480. 100% का वैल्यू 40 41 to 1200. और 1200 में मेडिकल कॉलेज 30%. 360 70% 840. अगर ये 45% है मेडिकल कॉलेज हो जाएगा 55%. दोनों का बीच का डिफरेंस 10%. 10% का वैल्यू है 80. 100% का वैल्यू 800. और ये 45% है तो ये हो जाएगा 45% ऑफ 800 360. और ये 55% ऑफ 800 440. ये 60% है तो वो 40% हो जाएगा मेडिकल कॉलेज. और दोनों का डिफरेंस 20%. 20% का वैल्यू है 180. 100% का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 900. और 900 में 60% मेडिकल कॉलेज है 540. और 40% हो जाएगा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज 360. ये डाटा हमारा निकल गया. अब क्वेश्चन देखते हैं क्या करें. द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मेडिकल एग्जाम फॉर इंस्टीट्यूट आर is what percent. 360 is what percent more or less than the student preparing for medical college from P. 300 60 more है 300 से 100 6 5 20 6 6 20 20%. What is the ratio of number of students preparing for medical exams in the institute R or S? Medical exam R or S. R S 900. The engineering exams in institute Q 840 00 45 40 2 15 14 15 14. If 45% of students were preparing for engineering exams in institute P में 100 45 है female which is 35 प्लस 35 ऐड करेंगे तो 80 for institute R engineering college R 8360 male female. I'll find the male of 360. If the number of students who are preparing for medical exams in institute R of S&T, medical exam S&T ratio 9:9:8 ST 4 सा करता है 480. How many students preparing for PNT medical P NT 300 780. Average age of students preparing for engineering exams in institute P and Q. Engineering P and Q 940 470 is more than the student preparing for medical exam in institute R 440. Medical 360 1110 110. Approximation 720 by 80 9 plus x 40% of 50 20 11 10% of 710 1710 और 15 8 1 1 5 1 minus 5 3 35 x square plus 343 1600 minus 35 343873221 approx 35. 5% of 580 29 plus 1 by 4 of 16 only 50 179 439 by 51 into 17 by 156 3 13 13 by 6 1 2 1 by 12 x by 12 is 17 204. ये सही है 4800. The number of students participated from college Q and P. Q 18, P 15. The student participated from Q and P together. Q and P, Q का 80, P का 15 is what percent of number of students who participate for class T or Y, T and Y, T 10, Y 20 30। ऐसे ऐसे DI में ये डाटा निकालने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बिना ये परसेंटेज से भी बन जाएगा क्वेश्चन। 110 अगेन इस क्वेश्चन में भी परसेंटेज से ही बन जाएगा क्वेश्चन, इसका वैल्यू निकालने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। What is the ratio of number of students who participate from K and Y together? K and Y, K 24, Y 20. The number of students participating from P and B, P 15, P 13, 28, 14, 22, 11, 7. What is the average number of students participating from class BTQ? BTQ 13, 10, 18. 41% of 4800 84 is 3 656 can be together. Number difference between the parts can be together. K 24 13 37% percent from Y and Q, Y 20, Q 18, 38 1% का वैल्यू 48। Find number of students participate from college Q 18 is what percent more or less the number of students participate from college B 13 5% ज़्यादा है, 13 से तो 100 500 40 1 38 point something. Four 14 46 134 404 1214. Multiply by 3 minus 2 3 4 12 3 9 10. Multiply by 3 minus 2 multiply by 3 minus 2 multiply by 3 minus 2 7 18 4 12 13 10 plus 2 46 846 503 287 161 9871 27 161 28 108 240 418 648 928 180, 132, 178, 108, 162, 243, 53.65, 113, 77, 121, 36, 48, 36, 121. Eight and including the parents 20. 88, family 22, or family 120, 32, 4. 2220 shows that A got 20% more than B. But D got 25% of the sum. 25, 2005, 5550 D को मिला 5505661 27 37 6650 B और D 37 8 2 5 10 57 4 25 60 26 108 62 3 3 6 4 5 81 बहुत ही बेकार परफॉर्मेंस रहा होगा। देखते हैं कितना मार्क्स आया हुआ है। रीजनिंग में 24, 2 गलत क्या हुआ पता नहीं, और इंग्लिश में 22 सही और 8 गलत लगा ही था, और क्वांट में 20। इसमें और अटेम्प्ट हो पाते थे लेकिन थोड़ा सा टफ था। रीजनिंग मुझे भी थोड़ा सा मॉडरेट लेवल लगा। आप लोग अपने मार्क्स शेयर करना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।